Looking to buy a used welder? Ready Art sells professionally maintained welding equipment at a discount. Purchase equipment from North America's largest inventory of used welding and weld automation equipment. Ready Arc offers equipment from leading manufacturers such as Lincoln, Miller, Hypertherm, and Buggo. Our professionally maintained equipment is regularly serviced by our factory-trained technicians. We carry an extensive inventory of quality-checked, refurbished welders. Quality-checked welders look and run like new. You can rest assured that our used equipment is safe to operate, in good working order, and comes with a warranty. With Ready Arc, you're getting quality equipment backed by a company you can trust. Stop by your local Ready Arc branch today. Give us a call or visit us on the web at readyarc.com.